In many countries, some breeds of dogs are banned as they are a threat to human life. In the video, you can see how a child is being bitten by pit bull. This video is from Ghaziabad, a city in India. You can see how severely the dog has gripped the leg of the child. The pit bull is not losing its grip despite being beaten by sticks and trying other methods. The child is in pain and shock. This incident would leave a very bad psychological impact on the child's life. In this video you can see that even the housing society lifts are not safe for the residents if the dog is present there. The pet dog owner seems to be very unconcerned. The dog has bitten the child on his right thigh. The child is in great pain. Lives of more than 55,000 people are lost each year, mostly in Asia and Africa. India accounts for 36% of the world's rabies deaths. There are 4.5 million American dog bite victims per year according to CDC research in 2003. Dog bites sent nearly 316,200 victims to hospital emergency departments every year. 8 breeds of dogs are banned in many countries. The 8 dog breeds that are banned are Presa Canario Rottweiler, American Staffordshire Terrier, Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Brazilian Mastiff, Dogo Argentino, Tosa, and Pit Bull. The dog photos are being given here so that you can identify them. Here they are. Number 1. Presa Canario. Number 2. Rottweiler. Number 3. American Staffordshire Terrier. Number 4. Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Number 5. Brazilian Mastiff. Number 6. Dogo Argentina. Number 7. Tosa. And number 8. Pit Bull. 28 countries have banned pit bulls. No dog breed has been banned in India, despite many attacks and deaths of its citizens. Please visit www.icrpc.org to file a consumer complaint. Thanks for watching this Arun Saxena production.